Hello, good morning. Today I get a very special, not that special. I got the delivery from Shopee. I bought this how many days ago, and I am really so excited to show to you what is this. It's very cheap product, but it's really nice, and all Filipino really loves this. And I want to share to you what is the inside of this box. Taran, this is the parcel. So this is from GNT Express. So they are really, this shape out are so cute. What is this thing? Oh, let's open this. Oh, a little box. Naka-bubble wrap siya. And it's very secure. I put this a little speaker because I want noise in my house. So this is very small. A 3-inch wireless speaker. So, oh nice. Meron siyang USB port, FM radio, mic, Wi-Fi, I think, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection, and a blink, maybe the light. This is the light that will blink when it's open. And tingnan muna natin to. Meron silang mic na free. This one. And this, the cord. It's very small. Oh, so cute. You see? This is the remote control. As you see. Oh my god. Sana magtagal to. The charger cord. This is for charger. Wala siyang socket. And it's so light. It's like maybe half kilo. And paano to siya i-on? Meron siyang on and off dito. What's this thing? Do I have to remove this thing out? Oh, nakastick siya para hindi siya masira. Remove that one. And this is the on and off. Oh, as you can see, it's very cute. And let's see, USB and audio max. Or the microphone is here. Then put the microphone here. Let's try. Hello. Oh, see, you can. It's so cute. Test mic. Baka magalit yung kapitbahay. Nasaan na yung pamangkin ko? Gusto niya kasi ito eh. So, ito mga bus na, ito yung on and off option niya. Ito yung sa micro SD. Ito naman yung some USB. And this is for the charger. Tapos yung mic niya. And I don't know to. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. And wala siyang option ng para sa volume in and out. Hindi ko alam. Pero kung i-connect mo siya sa sabi ko kanito, kung i-connect mo siya dito, try natin na connect sa USB. Diba stop natin, diba ang lakas. Ngayon i-connect natin siya sa Bluetooth sa computer ko kung okay ba. So i-prepare ko muna. Ito pala yung yung option ng ito pala yung option ng FM mode. And then, ito yung option ng volume, ng repeat or rewind. And then, pause. And then, this is for the fast forward. So, i-connect natin siya through Bluetooth. Ayan. So, connected na siya.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So ito mga boss, no, ang weight niya is very light lang, magaan lang siya. You can carry it around. Tingnan mo naman yung size, isang span lang. So at saka pwede ko lang din siyang iganon sa kamay. So ang price nito is 285 pesos and delivery price is basta all in all is 365 pesos. So worth it na siya na meron kayong music sa bahay. So sana magtagal tong product na to kasi mahilig ako sa kanta at sana nga magtagal to siya.